now the kids, they started to paint. Can you see? Hello everyone, finally the fence is done. Yes, we have the fence ready already, guys, and I would like to show you. And today also we are going to paint the fence, guys. Okay,
what
so
do you like? The metal or the wood?
The wood.
The wood, huh?
Yes, the wood. So what color? Okay guys, so I'm going to show you right now. All of us are going to paint. So my husband is wearing his uniform.
Farm uniform.
Yes, the farm uniform. My husband is wearing the farm uniform, and Haley as well. So this is the outcome. And this is the door. We put this one, guys, because the dogs are waiting and they really want to enter. So we tie. We tie like this, guys, only. And then we put this pot. And look at Russell and Everest. They are here and Russell is anxious. He really wants to enter. And this is the fence, guys. As you all can see, it is so beautiful. And this is the biggest space that we put the fence, guys. All right, so we are going to the smallest space near our chicken coop. Let's go there. So our chickens can roam around very soon without any problem, hopefully. Can you see? They are so beautiful, these chickens. And yesterday afternoon, guys, my husband and I finished this part. Yes. So this is what we did, guys, into this space. I think it's 1.5 meters wide. Yeah, so Russell was crazy. Okay, so this is the smallest space. Okay, and let's go to the other one. And the kids are eating. Hi. Russell really tried. Okay guys, so this is the look of our space. So our very kind and helpful and generous neighbor, he helped us till the soil, and he tilled the soil twice already. So the soil is ready, as you all can see. Yes. And our greenhouse, we are still waiting for the plastic cover. And let's go to the third fence. Yes. Okay, so this is the third fence, guys. So our dogs, they cannot totally enter into our precious vegetable garden. So my dream garden is almost finished. Yes guys, so finally we could make it, and we are so very thankful, and we are so grateful, thankful, because our neighbor helped us to build the fence, as you all can see. Yeah, so yeah, very happy. And now the kids, they started to paint. Can you see? Bijila ako ka? See? Very good, darling. Good job, girls.
A mi me passa això, no sé per què.
S'ha de fer més d'una passada,
Hmm.
És una passada.
Amunt i avall, com fa el miyagi-do,
No, Hailey, only one side. I tu també?
Després, si no queda bé, no pot dir que s'ha fet més d'una passada.
Okay, guys, so we are going to show you once we finish. Yes, okay.
Sí.
And guys, look, update to our transplanted garlic. They are doing so well, so I have 2 garlics in here, 1 and 2. I hope they are okay.
Amunt i després fa un altre. Després
And look, guys, they are really growing so well, and I am very happy. Can you see?
molt bé, molt bé. La idea és que no quedi un lloc molt gruixut i un altre molt pic, que quedi tot igual, saps? No, Everest!
Evi,
No,
així aquest ja l'he fet bé. Ja l'he fet bé aquest.
Sí, ara un altre, va.
Oli, perquè
Wow, very good, Lakota. Very good, darling.
no.
And Russell is in the other side.
Mira, deixa-la.
Good job, Lakota, darling. And Hailey as well. Look. Wow.
I això, a part de donar color, protegeix la pintura, noies, de la humitat, dels bitxos. Això més que pel color és pel...
Okay, guys, so this is the first coating. So we finished the first coat already, guys. And look. Lakota's running. Okay, darling. And now they're going to continue painting into this side, guys. Can you see? And the dogs are there too. So we'll show you guys later once we finish.